Hey guys, it's your Auntie Allie, and I'm here with another book today. We've got Pete the Cat and his 4 groovy buttons. What do you see on the cover here? I see Pete the Cat, of course. And he's on a skateboard. What color is the skateboard? It's red, yeah. And he's got some buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's read the book. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are there left? Let's count. How many buttons does he have left now? 1, 2, 3. Only 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept singing his song. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? How many buttons are left? 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. And there we see 1, 2. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left now? Oh, look! Pete's got an ice cream. I love ice cream. 1. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My button, my 1 groovy button. My button, my 1 groovy button. Pop! Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 0. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt. And what do you think he saw? If you don't have buttons on your shirt and your shirt is open, what is there? His belly button! And he kept on singing his song. My button, still have my belly button. My button, I still have my belly button. Oh, I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness, no. We keep on singing. And here we can see his 4 buttons. Buttons come and buttons go. The end. Wow, you guys, that one was super fun. I had a great time. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you sing along. Have a good week. Let's do some big kisses. Mwah, mwah. Bye.